Hey, what's up guys, Adi here. Today we are going to look through some basic important ways on how to build a heavy duty side step that can support lift jack. First, you need to locate a hole that can fit bolt on the Hilux frame and also a stabilizer bar that you can share your side step to secure the bolt. For the left side of the side step, you need to weld the nut flush with the custom holder. This is because at that side, the gas tank fit near to the Hilux main frame. You get about 8 to 10mm clearance frame to the gas tank. I'm using 2.5 inch tube with 3mm thickness for the side step holder. This size is sufficient for Hilux. If your build is for Jeep Wrangler or heavier, then you need a larger tube. For the side step main tube, leave a gap about 1 inch at the front and the rear. Tack weld for all the side step part with enough strength to hold it together. Extra caution when doing welding tack on the left side because it is too near to the gas tank. Stand by a fire extinguisher just in case you need to use them. We disassemble back the side step from the car and put it on the welding table to do the final welding and secure necessary item to complete the side step. For the step cover, we can use checker plate or expanded metal. I prefer expanded metal because it's easier to clean my boot during rain on a wrecked soil or muddy road. After coated with paint or powder coat, it is time to fit and test it with a lift jack. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. I will try to answer your question as best as I can. Until next time, see you in the next build.